So we've just had a tropical cyclone, Debbie, across the North Queensland coast here yesterday morning. And what we got going on is cyclone has turned into a tropical low and it's travelling down the coast. So we were officially in a drought 3 weeks ago, experiencing some of the hottest temperatures we've had on record. We had no water, and just like that, we've now got a year's worth of water just out of one rain event. It's been raining like this now steadily for about 24 hours. It's just been constant. We've managed to catch enough groundwater and roof water to basically get us through another year. So all our drinking water tanks are at capacity, and the dam down the back is actually overflowing over this little spillway. So the thing is with this native soil is once it gets saturated, and it doesn't take that long, it stops absorbing water. And it wants to push it all down through the garden, and it basically ends up down here, which is basically the lowest spot of this area. So all this water wants to slowly flow through here. Now the amount of rain we got yesterday was quite overwhelming. So I had to run around and dig little swales in everywhere to help to direct this water back down to where we pick it up. Now a swale is basically an excavation in the ground that will either capture water or divert that water to wherever you want to go. And thirdly, swales can also be created to slow that flow of water down. Water has a very erosive effect when it gets speed up or momentum. So the idea is to slow it down with a series of gentle curves, slows it down, or by using rock. Rock's a wonderful thing for slowing water down. So the idea is all that groundwater that comes down there gets intercepted by a swale, and it basically converts that into a single flow, which then gets pushed down here over rock. And rock is very handy to slow water down, which basically minimises erosion. You don't want to let water pick up speed. You've got to slow it down, but direct it at the same time. So this water basically picks up down here. This little swale here picks up any water that spills over this one, and then behind, if these two fail, this swale here picks up the remainder of the water. So essentially, just through the use of these little swales here, I capture all that groundwater that rolls down from up the top there, and it gets directed into a single flow that picks up quite a large volume of water and directs it down here into our little dam. When we first moved in, all that water would come down there and go straight down the driveway into my neighbour's dam, which was no good for us. I'm going to come back because it's starting to rain quite heavy and the camera's getting wet. And if this camera gets wet, my wife will kill me, so I don't want that. So I'll go and get the old Bunnings umbrella, I think, and I'll get back to you. Yeah, rain's slowly getting a little bit heavier. It's just been constant. So yeah, so now just got to ride the wind out now. So she's just going to get a bit blowy for a while now, I think. But to everyone who is being affected by this weather system, hope yous are all safe. Don't do anything stupid. She's racing down here. So yeah, so we've managed to capture a year's worth of rain in just a couple of days. But now we probably won't get rain for another 8 months. So we've done exceptionally well to get this much water. Good rain. Bloody good rain. It's just started getting heavier. The big part of the low is just not quite here yet, probably about another hour maybe. So all in all, we've managed to capture about a year's worth of rain in just a couple of days. So yeah, so that's how, using swales, you can effectively capture water and direct it where you want it to go. Quite a useful little tool. So thanks again for watching, everyone. And I'll see you soon.